Hi, I'm Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to bake banana bread. The ingredients that you will need are flour, baking soda, vegetable oil, walnuts, brown sugar, coconut milk, cinnamon powder, egg, vanilla, salt, and bananas. The first step is to prepare a 9x5-inch loaf pan. Spray with cooking oil and set it aside. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Mash the bananas in a large bowl. You can use a masher, or I'm currently using a heavy whisk. Next, you'll pour the oil, vanilla, one egg, the 2 tablespoon coconut milk. You can also use almond milk or regular milk. Next, mix this for a minute or 2 under low setting. Also, you can do all this recipe manually. You don't have to use a stand mixer if you don't have one. Next, you will add the baking soda, salt, then the brown sugar. So some recipe you can use yogurt to neutralize the baking soda, but you don't have to if you are lactose intolerant. The brown sugar will neutralize the baking soda. Now you'll add the cinnamon and the 2 cups of flour. Then mix again under low to medium setting. Lastly, you'll add the walnuts. If you're allergic to walnuts, you can opt out. Pour the batter in the baking pan. And bake it for 45 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And here's the final results. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified for my next video. Have a great day!